This is Nikesh from Tech Basics, and today we're going to learn how to download Discovery Bank application on your mobile device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device and open it. At the search bar, type in Discovery Bank and click on search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this application. Click on it, then click on Get. Now you need to verify with Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification, your download will be started shortly. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.